What your plans for the weekend? Exercise. Go to the beach with my friend and enjoy myself. Do some calling work that I have pending. What is your work study routine? Organize my notes. Plan it. I set I study goals and mark the time I am going to dedicate to each activity. I underline important ideas and highlight them with markers. Outlining, I order the ideas in an outline and compile the most important ones. Read is in chat to resolve my knowledge and be more productive. What sport do you practice? I play volleyball and I like the idea of sharing it with my friends. This sport is played between teams of 6 players. The object, object is to hit the ball with your hands or arms to pass whoever the net within the ball's bouncing your encore. The match consists of 3 sets of 15 points each. With July to the travel to the White. I would like to travel to the United States because it is a beautiful country full of opportunities and about of to the had the chance to interact with other people, interact and improve my English. Thank you.